If you have muscle pain or joint pains, this is how you get relief from it. You create a fermentation. That means you take the herbs marshmallow root, chamomile flowers, or comfrey root, and you're going to take like 2 ounces of each and put it in and boil it into water like a tea. Okay, and then you're going to take a piece of cotton cloth. You're going to put the cloth into the water, wring it a bit, and apply it onto the muscle or the joint area. Okay, you do this 3 or 4 times a day, and it's going to give you relief because these are very powerful plants. Comfrey root has been known to help with bone breakages. You put it on bones, okay? And these two as well are anti-inflammatory and very healing, okay? You can take all 3 or you can just do one of them. The most preferred one is comfrey root by itself, or these two together. Chamomile flowers and marshmallow leaves or roots, and comfrey leaves, okay? Make very powerful fermentation. Apply it like a band-aid. You know, rinse it, take a cloth, put it over the area, a bit warm, and you get relief.